you're a trader, if you trade for a living, you trade every day, if you do not make any money today, that is okay, because the days like today, there is definitely a lot of trades to be taken. But if you are stuck with the market, especially if you're trading indexes, you're trading S&P, QQQ, SPY futures, NASDAQ futures, it can be volatile on a day like that where there's no clear direction. So you have to either use the system, or if you feel that your trades are not working, you should step away. Let's say you have a red trade in the morning and your second trade is not working, just sit on the hands, because when we start to lose, we have a red morning trade, we have an urge to get that red back, make it green, and we make trade bad setups, and we make a small red into big red day. You do not have to trade, because trying to trade when there is no setup, the market is not what you're looking for, there's no A+ setup, you will lose money, and you will lose money what you made in last few days. Better than doing that, you wait like a sniper for a good trending day. What we did for last 6-7 days, when we had a nice bearish trend, clear trend, we were doing pretty good on the market. We were shorting, we were holding the bearish trend. Even on the bullish days, if you talk about last few months, we were long trend trades, swing trades. Those are the days where you make most. But the traders have an urge to trade every day, and that's when we make mistakes, because we have to ask ourselves, is there a setup? Is market trending or market choppy? Does this setup gives me good risk to reward? Is my entry good? Is there an option flow? Is there a news? Is there a catalyst? What type of setup I'm playing? You should ask yourself before you press the button what kind of setup I'm playing. The market has different personalities which show again and again and again. You are not managing your risk, then you would lose few trades, and then you will force. Even if something worked, you try to short something and you had a tight stop, you got out in panic, and then that thing went on to fade and you missed on 100% gainer, then you will have a FOMO. Oh, I missed this trade. Okay, I have to make another trade. And then you jump in with that mentality. You forget about your systematic approach. It's not about one day. One day doesn't make your trading career. And do not let one trade define your trading career. That's why I say do not make money today. That is okay, because I know when an A+ day comes, I will make more for this choppy day. So I want to sit on hand, or I'm just going to risk. If I usually take 10 contracts, I'm going to take 2 contracts today. If I usually take 1,000 shares, I'm just going to trade 100 shares today. Tell your mind that if I do not trade, that is okay. I will preserve what I have. If you lose today, tomorrow you will try to just bring back what you lost yesterday. If you have a daily loss limit, stick with it, move on. That's the biggest mistake traders often do. They're on a nice winning streak for 5-6 days, and then on a day like today, they don't really have to trade. They had a huge day yesterday. Then they force, and they end up even wiping what they made yesterday. That's why every day in my community, I tell everyone first thing in the morning, size small. Do not give up what you gained yesterday. There's a system. Use the system to your advantage. The system will tell you if there's no trend by 10 a.m., there's usually a chop. And the system will tell you if the things are going to turn bad. There's a VIX system. There's my MTF cloud system. I teach them day in, day out. The system is 5%. 95% is your mentality. It's the biggest enemy. Fight is against us. Our fight is not against the market. We are competing against ourselves. And that's when you have to tell your mind, shut the F up. This is not my setup. I already tried to trade one setup that didn't work. And step away, look at the sky, go outside, take a deep breath. Tomorrow is a new day. Wait for your setup. Make sure you print this out. Tell your mind, if I do not make any money today, that is okay. I will preserve what I have.
Come to trade with Ripster. Join the community at www.tenettradegroup.com.